Meliomatic, poetic silence,
poetic justice.
claiming me. Freedom is the strength of my soul. Someone help me, forgiving me, reclaiming me. I only want to be set free.
Free me. Free me.
Freedom is the strength of my soul, forgiving me, reclaiming me.
Just want to be set free.
Why?
Standing in front of the window, she watches as her soul walks by. For it has been entrapped by a lover she once thought she knew. He looks to her and smiles, knowing that he has taken every ounce of life that she has ever breathed. But yet, she continues to live. She lives in spite of the conditions of her heart and struggles to get back to her feet, clutching her bosom in the spot where her soul used to dwell.
I just want to be set free.
Remembering countless acts of mind manipulations, she calls for her mental muse to give her spiritual guidance. Seeking his face again only brought back old thoughts, only to cause mental misery, which leads to constant cries until she decides to confront him and take back. Falling to her knees, she begins to call on the only person she knows. Father, oh Father, please give me the strength to weather this storm. I've grown tired and weary, but I will keep thy faith, because I know you hold me in the cradle of your bosom and shall deliver me from this evil. Standing to her feet, she wipes the tears from her eyes and began to wait on her sign, as she knew the storm would soon be over. Days went by, and heart began to feel lightened as the man she once knew was beginning to feel his demise, as his world started to crumble before his eyes. Wondering what was happening to him, he found himself on his knees at her doorstep, begging for forgiveness and to release the curse she had placed on him. She looked at him and replied, I forgave you before you harmed me. The forgiveness you seek is not with me, but with your Creator. Then she closed the door, leaned back on the door, and smiled, let out a breath that desperately needed exhaling, and allowed her soul to return, for she had been set free.
Claiming, forgetting, allowed her soul to return. For she had been set free. Claiming, so it's forgiveness you seek.
Freedom is the strength of my soul.
I just want to be set free.
Forgiving me, reclaiming me.
I just want to be set free.
Freedom is the strength of my soul.
Help me.
Forgiving
help
me, reclaiming me.
Free me.
To be set free.
Free me. This is so meliomatic.